WTI, and this is Smalls. Smalls got a great new water bottle for travel. This is the MalsiPree Dog Water Bottle with bowl, and this is the 19-ounce size. And this bottle is really perfect for traveling. It is leak proof, and so there's no mess. Even though we're out and about, he still can get his water and no mess whatsoever. Even when I turned the water bottle upside down, still no water came out. It's really easy to fill the little bowl. You just simply push the button and it dispenses the water. Just that simple, and then Smalls can have his water. A nice feature too is that, let's say your dog doesn't drink all the water that's in the little bowl, no problem. You just hold the button in and turn it upright, and the water will go back inside of the water bottle. This water bottle also comes in a 12-ounce size, and it also comes in many colors as well, but I chose pink since it's my favorite color. Smalls really liked his new water bottle, and I hope your puppy does too. And that's my point of view.